let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So as you can see there, I've got my pumpkin, cut that into kind of, nice bite-sized cubes. Onions and tomatoes, about the same amount you want really for this. So I've got a kind of medium-sized one of each there. Garlic ginger paste, there's like 2 heaped teaspoons of a minced garlic and ginger. If you wanted, you could just be chopping fresh if you like. Some fresh chilies, some cilantro or coriander, fresh chopped. 4 spices, let's have a look at those. So equal parts here, we're talking about a teaspoon of each of turmeric, chili, cumin, and fennel powder. If you can get fennel powder, it is absolutely wonderful. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add a little bit of water, and of course some salt. Let's go and do it. So here we are, we've got our pot. You're going to need a lid for this as well. I'm starting this off with a little touch of olive oil. You could be using any oil you wanted. Mustard oil would be quite nice, or sunflower. Simply, we're going to get in those onions and that garlic and ginger. So I'm using the garlic ginger paste, but you could be using, like I say, chopped garlic and ginger. And just to that while we're here, a little bit of salt. I'm going to put a bit of black pepper in as well. And want a fairly lively heat. Want this to go just for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, onions have slightly changed colour. That was just, like I say, a couple of minutes. Get it together. Now we're going to add in our pumpkin. And as you can see, fairly chunky. What we want to do now is throw this around on this kind of, like I say, fairly lively heat for about another 3 to 4 minutes now. So this pumpkin is still very hard, but we've got some lovely flavours on there. Okay, we're pretty much done now with the ingredients. I told you this is really easy. So we're now going to get in our chopped tomato, fresh chilli. I mean, optional as to how much you put in. Let's just go through those powders once again. Equal parts, like a little teaspoon each here. Cumin, turmeric, chili powder, and fennel powder. To this we're going to add 1 glass, or 1 glass like this, of cold water. Give that a little mix around. Then we're going to pop a lid on this and let it cook for about 5 minutes on, again, this fairly lively heat. Now what we're looking for is those tomatoes to break down and kind of, make a little bit more of a gravy for us. And, if you've used a nice ripe tomato, it will really work. If it's a really hard one, it won't work so much. But we've got that water in there, so that's fine. So lid on, 5 minutes. We're pretty much done. The only other ingredient we've got to put in is our coriander or cilantro. No need to stir it. See you in 5. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat down now. Get some steam out of here. Otherwise you won't be able to see what's going on. There you go. That's beautiful, isn't it? It's really come together nicely. Now what we want to do is just grab a little bit more water. I need to add some more water there. Hold tight. Just like, I'm going half a glass now, so that's 1.5 glasses in total. You see those tomatoes are breaking down beautifully. Now what you want to do now is you just need to get the lid back on a low heat and get this going until your pumpkin is how you want. Tenders, if you want it harder or softer, that's up to you. For me, that's going to be about another 6 minutes on a really low heat, on a simmer now, with the lid on. And it's going to be beautiful. Only one more step to do. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's jump inside, let some steam out again. Fantastic, I'm loving the look of this. Now that's kind of just right how my pumpkin is. Just starting to give a little bit there. Check that for salt, you might want to add a touch more, but I'm really happy where I am. And then we're just going to finish that off with some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And it's done. I hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to click that bell icon just down below to receive notifications of what we're doing. And that's it. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, as you can see, steaming hot, we're doing a pumpkin stew. Vegetarian, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's got some amazing spices in it, and it's really easy. Let's go and do it.